This was one of my problem A4s because it's got a Ringfield motor, and as you may recall, I'd been chatting with Barrie Davis, the model railway expert, and he seemed to have nailed the problems with the Ringfield motor. Now, I'm in the process of trying to order some spare parts, including a number of replacement 11 tooth cogs. Now, there's the 11 tooth cog in question, if it will stay in focus. And what was happening was it was spinning because it was not fully engaged with these cogs. And not really sure why that was, but what I was able to do was remove that cog, and what I found was there was a bit of gunk build up behind it, and I took that off, cleaned the axle a little bit, pushed it back into place, got this assembly back on, and lo and behold, it's working. I can just get this here. As smooth as they come. So, I mean, this one was wheezing or whining, whatever the description best suited that noise of the spinning cog. I do have a couple of dark spots here on the track it doesn't like. I'll just turn the power up a wee bit. And it runs smooth now. So that's a great fix at no cost. All I had to do was remove that cog and clean up the axle, and there you have it. So that was a great solution, and you might want to try that if you have any Ringfield motors where that little cog is spinning. I was watching Barrie this morning, and he was talking about the cost of spares and saying, you know, are you paying too much? Yes. And he's recommended Lendons. I've heard somebody mention that before, and I've checked out their site, and they've got a great stock. And what I'm going to do is make that list up again and get it off to them. And of course, the best practice is to send them an email saying this is what I'd like, and I live in Toronto, and then they would get back to me, verify that they got these items in stock, and provide me with a cost estimate for postage to Toronto, and then I can go ahead and place the order, which is terrific. So another problem solved. Thanks to Barrie Davis for that once again. Without his help and input, you know, I might never have got this solved. So there it is under load, and it seems to be doing okay, except once again there's a couple of dark spots on the track that I need to fix. So that was, as I said, that was a simple fix. with the help of Barrie Davis, and she's pulling 4 coaches there, and that's promising to me. Those triangle coaches still have plastic wheels on them. The Gresley one at the back has metal wheels, but as you can see, it's running just fine. As you can see, it's running really well. So that's another issue solved with, another one of the locals with a screaming or whining cog. A simple fix, and we'll move on to the next one and see if we can improve the running of another local. So I hope you enjoyed that. Give me the big thumbs up if you did, and I look forward to seeing you next time. And big news coming up shortly, so stay tuned. Bye for now.